Unlocking the meaning of "throw me a lifeline." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, "throw me a lifeline." This idiom is widely used in English-speaking contexts, and understanding it can really help you in both casual and professional communications. Let's get started and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, "throw me a lifeline," is an idiom that originates from the literal action of throwing a line or rope to save someone in a difficult situation, like when they're drowning in water. However, when used figuratively, it means to provide help or assistance to someone who is in a tough situation. The lifeline here represents the much-needed support or solution to get out of a predicament. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. In a personal context, imagine a friend is struggling to complete a project on time. They might say, "Can you throw me a lifeline and help me with this part of the project?" Here, they're asking for your assistance to help them overcome a challenging situation. In a professional setting, if someone is overwhelmed with work and unable to meet a deadline, they might ask their colleague, "I'm really struggling to finish this report. Could you throw me a lifeline and take over some of my tasks?" This is a request for support to manage their workload better. Idioms like "throw me a lifeline" are crucial in everyday English because they convey more than just the literal meaning of their words. They add color and depth to our language, making it richer and more expressive. Understanding these phrases can significantly enhance your communication skills, making you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has thrown you a lifeline in understanding the meaning and usage of the phrase, "throw me a lifeline." Idioms are a key part of mastering the English language, and recognizing them in conversation can really elevate your language skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. See you in the next video.